Day 2. I washed my hair, so it's not blue anymore. Although I really like the way that the blue looked, so I might want to dye it. We got new wire. Honestly, we shouldn't be here too long. And then we got homework to do. I stayed up till 12 writing my 8-page paper. Turned out pretty good, I think. Made me question life though, and now I'm like all emotional. So, yeah. Hello. I brought this because I was thinking we could use it on the windows. I don't know if I'm filming the right way. Let's see, everybody. I can't open it. Peyton, can you hold this real quick? I can't get it. Does it just flip? Yeah, it does. I thought this was a cover. Mobby. Oh, sorry. Okay. Gonna use this for the windows, maybe. Thinking it might work. Well, let me try it by myself first. Okay, so that little knife was not working, but I'm using the big utility knife and it's doing better, so. Same with her. And then he's wiring some of this stuff that I didn't. What music? Literally anything else. Country? You listen to country music? One of my favorite artists is Toby Keith, and Beer for My Horses came on, and she was like, I'll give you $100 if you can tell me who sings the song. And I said, Toby Keith. And he said, who else? And I said, Willie Nelson. And he said, okay, what other songs do they sing together? I said, I don't know. And then he showed us the other one about smoking weed. Can we listen to it? You wanna see the wiring? Boom. First of all, it's the dining room, 4. So power comes in here, goes over here, and then over here. I don't know why I made them so long, but whatever. And then from the switch, power goes here, and this is the living room. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow. The zoom quality on this camera? And Jason's putting lighting downstairs so that we can have light. We do plumbing downstairs. I need sleep. I don't function well when I stay up late. You're so pretty today, did you know that? And strong. Can you show them your muscles? Dang, girl. That was so embarrassing. You're so nice to look at. Oh, man. I was covering most of that up. Wait, let me show you what she does. Oh, I covered that up too. Wait. She goes like this. We're gonna keep working, but I think that's it for this video. I don't have any other entertaining things for you. So, see you in the next video. Say bye. Subscribe. Subscribe, like this video. See you in the next one. Oh, you're so strong. Goodbye, look at your muscles. Guy. Goodbye, guy. Goodbye, you guy. I almost poured this on myself because this is not closed right.